What up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Apple pencil. So let's get to the video. So guys, for this project you will need an apple, a pen, aluminum foil, and some tape. So guys, start off by using the tip of the pen and covering it in aluminum foil like this. And this is your stylus. So it's a dual purpose. If you ever want to write on a notebook, you can use this. If you want to use it on a device, you can use this. And just secure it on with some tape. There. And then take your apple and stick it on. Like that. And there you have it. There's your Apple pencil. And if you're ever hungry, you can eat. Oh, this is upside down. If you ever want to eat an apple, you can eat it. If you ever want to use it on a device, you can use this. And if you ever want to use it on a notebook, you can use it. So guys, thanks for watching. Sub to my channel. Please like this video. And as always, peace out.